We have some yellow dust floating over us from China, and it's currently affecting the west coast regions. And the air quality index has risen to the level where we should be on the lookout for the warnings. The concentration of the fine dust particles in Seoul stands at 73 micrograms per cubic meter, while there are other regions that are looking even worse. Unlike yesterday, it is rather chilly as the northern wind that brought us that yellow dust is very strong. And as you can see, fluctuations in the weather will continue throughout the week, and along the way, we'll be picking up some rain starting tomorrow. And the strong wind has also brought us some dry weather warnings. It's currently affecting these parts of the nation, including the capital. Until then, tomorrow will be mild, with Seoul starting off the morning at 6 degrees Celsius, and along with most of the regions, will be picking up to 6 degrees, while Busan and Jeju makes it up to 10 and 9 degrees. Now, as for our highs, Seoul will be topped out to 19 degrees, while Gwangju and Busan tops to 21 and 19 as well. Well, that's all for now, and here's a look at the weather conditions around the world.